Now, let's have set 5. Okay, second to the last set na po tayo. Okay, blessings 5. Let's have 101. A wave motion with motion perpendicular to the direction that the wave is moving is classified as a what? So, anong type of wave po ito? This is a transverse wave. Kapag perpendicular, transverse wave po iyan. Light is an example of a transverse wave. 102. A spacecraft is approaching the Earth relative to the radio signals it sends out. The signals received on Earth have what? Okay, ano po ang mangyayari doon sa wavelength or frequency po ni spacecraft po dito? Siyempre, ang mangyayari po dito is it will have a shorter wavelength po as it yung signals po marireceive po sa Earth po. 103. Which of the following does not consist of electromagnetic waves? So, sino po sa option na ito ang hindi po kasali sa electromagnetic waves? Of course, walang iba kundi si Charlie, sound waves. 104. 1 kilohertz is equal to 103 hertz. What is the wavelength of the electromagnetic waves sent out by a radio station whose frequency is 660 kilohertz? The speed of light is 3 times 10 to the 8. So, given na po si speed of light dito. So, paano po natin ito i-solve? Ito lang po yon. So, V equals to frequency times wavelength. Okay, we need to find the wavelength here, which is 3 times 10 to the 8 over 660, and we will have B, bravo, 4.55 times 10 to the, times 10 squared meters. 105. The wavelength of sound waves having a frequency of 256 Hz compares with the wavelength of sound waves having a frequency of 512. Okay? Siyempre, nasagot na. 256 times 2, 512 mean to say it is twice as great. 106. A periodic wave has a frequency of 5 Hz. What is the wave period? So, ano pong formula ng wave period? Si wave period po is 0.20 seconds. Okay, ito po yung formula ni wave period. T is equivalent to 1 over frequency. Okay, 1 over 5, we will have 0.20 seconds. That is alpha. 106. Sound waves travel faster in, okay, we are talking about sound waves. It will travel faster kapag all of the above. Solids as compared to liquids, liquids as compared to gas, and warm air as compared to cooler air. Yan po yung characteristics po ni sound waves. 107. Myopia can be corrected with a, okay, kanina na po ito, na-discuss ko na po. So, pag myopia, concave. Pag hyperopia, convex. 108. Of the following, the electromagnetic wave with the shortest wavelength is what? Okay, we are talking about the shortest wavelength, none other than the X-rays. Okay, shortest wavelength, X-rays among the choices. 109. Which of the following happens when light undergoes a change of speed between two transparent materials? Okay, between two transparent materials, ang nangyayari po dyan is refraction. Okay, refraction. Dalawang medium. 110. Which of the following is are characteristics of an image formed in a convex mirror? Okay, ang hinahanap natin is characteristics po ng isang image na mabubuo sa isang convex mirror. Kapag convex mirror po, si image po natin dyan is, okay, walang sagot. Convex mirror is, same naman ito, di ba? Okay. I'll go back sa 110 po sa next set po, okay? So, proceed na lang po tayo sa 111. So, which of the following is true of a convex mirror? Same naman po ito kanina. True of a convex mirror, it only forms virtual images, okay? It forms only virtual images. Let's have 112. The Danish flag is red and white. When viewed with the red light, it appears, so when we observe it, kapag i-view natin with red light, si Danish flag po na color red at white will be observed as a color all red po. Okay, makikita natin all red. Hindi na po natin makikita si white po. 113. Which of the following happens when waves bend around the edge of an obstacle in their path? Okay, ano po ang mangyayari kapag yung waves natin is magbe-bend? Pag waves bending, diffraction. Kasi meron tayong key term dito, around the edge of an obstacle in their path. That is diffraction. Hindi po refraction po. Please be careful with this question. 114. An object is placed 15 cm from the convex lens with a focal length of 10 centimeters. What is the distance from the lens to the image? Okay, same thing kanina, 'di ba? So, yung sa mga last sets about optics. So, paano? Using the mirror and lens equation. Okay, using the mirror and lens equation, we need to find di. And di, yung f natin, yung focal point is 10. Meron din tayong uh, DO po na 15 and we will end up with yung distance of the image which is 30 cm. Bravo. 115. An image is formed 35 centimeters from the convex lens. Now, convex lens naman, meaning to say, yung focal length natin is dapat negative. So, ano po ang distance ng lens to the object? So, paano po? I-manipulate lang po natin yung lens equation or yung mirror equation. So, therefore, by manipulation, we have focal point of 15, we have a DI of 35. So, we will end up with a distance of the object which is 26.25 centimeters. Okay, 26. Okay, convex lens pala ito, hindi pala ito mirror. Okay, kapag lens po, positive po si focal length. Okay, so convex lens, positive po si focal length. Yan po yung sa sign convention natin. 116. Current is 2 CS, voltage is 2 watts. So, ano po ang unit of voltage? Joules over coulomb. Okay? J over C. 117. Electrical or electric power is equivalent to, ano po ang equivalent natin sa electric power? Current times the voltage. 118. The current in a 40 watts, 120 volt electric light bulb is what? Okay, ano po ang current natin dito? Formula, P equals to IV. We need to find I, yung current, which is 40 watts over 120 volts, which is 0.33 A. 119. Okay, 0.33 A, 1/3 A. 119. When amps and volts is multiplied, the answer will be in units of, okay, kapag minumultiply natin si amps at saka si volts, yung ang sagot po natin is, ang unit is power. Okay, it will end up with power, yung current at saka voltage. Power po. 120. Why does a microwave oven heat a potato but not a ceramic plate? Okay, in a microwave oven, yung maiinitan lang po is yung potato at hindi yung ceramic plate. Ano po ang nangyayari doon? Ang nangyayari po sa scenario na ito is that yung water content po sa potato nag-absorb sa microwave radiation. Thus, it will emit heat po. Kaya nag-iinit po yung potato. 121. An instrument that produces a coherent beam of single frequency in phase is what we call a laser. Okay, yung laser. Yung S dito, stimulated. 122. According to the Bohr model of the atom, an electron in the ground state is what? Si electron po dito sa ground state, anong ginagawa po niya? It can jump to another orbit if given enough energy. So, magja-jump po siya sa another orbit kapag binibigyan po natin siya ng energy. 1, 2, 3. A hydrogen atom is said to be in its ground state when its electron is in its lowest energy level. So, lowest energy level, si ground state. Kapag si electron. 1, 2, 4. Which of these types of radiation has the least ability to penetrate matter? Okay, least ability to penetrate matter. Anong klaseng radiation po? Alpha particles. Siya po yung pinaka-least po na magpe-penetrate po na matter. 1 to 5, last number. The propulsion of jets and rockets is based on the Newton's law of interaction. Okay, law of interaction. Okay, we are done with the second to the last set po. So, see you po sa last set, yung set 6.